From this video, you will get tips to prepare for FCSS SD-WAN 7.4 Architect FCSS SDW_AR 7.4 exam. What is FCSS SD-WAN 7.4 Architect? FCSS SD-WAN 7.4 Architect Exam Overview. Key exam topics. Preparation steps. 1. What happens if a performance SLA fails for a primary interface in an SD-WAN rule? A. Traffic is dropped automatically. B. Backup interface is selected based on SLA preferences. C. FortiGate reboots. D. Static route is used instead. Answer: B. 2. Which Fortinet feature helps troubleshoot SD-WAN sessions and rule behavior? A. Diagnose debug crash log. B. Packet capture on FortiClient. C. Diagnose SYSS SD-WAN CLI commands. D. IPsec replay detection. Answer: C. 3. How does FortiManager determine which branch device receives the SD-WAN configuration? A. By checking the FortiAnalyzer database. B. By matching the device's IPsec hash. C. By mapping the device to a specific atom and using a device mapping rule. D. By using DHCP requests from branches. Answer: C. 4. What issue could occur if SD-WAN zones are misconfigured? A. Log files will be corrupted. B. SSL VPN will stop functioning. C. Traffic will not match the correct SD-WAN rule. D. FortiManager will disconnect. Answer: C. 5. What is the key benefit of using IPsec multihub in SD-WAN architecture? A. Prevents user access to non-secure websites. B. Reduces the need for centralized analytics. C. Provides redundancy and better route optimization. D. Enables SSL offloading. Answer: C. 6. What are SD-WAN rules primarily responsible for? A. Filtering packets on all interfaces. B. Assigning static routes. C. Steering traffic based on application, user, or performance SLA. D. Managing IPsec Phase 1 configurations. Answer: C. 7. When using FortiManager to deploy SD-WAN configurations, what is the recommended approach for managing multiple branches? A. Manual configuration per device. B. Use of CLI templates. C. Use of SD-WAN overlay templates. D. Using FortiAnalyzer logs. Answer: C. 8. Which component allows centralized management and deployment of SD-WAN configurations across multiple branches? A. FortiAnalyzer. B. FortiOS. C. FortiClient. D. FortiManager. Answer: D. 9. What is the purpose of configuring a performance SLA in a Fortinet SD-WAN setup? A. To configure BGP routes. B. To define thresholds for dynamic path selection. C. To authenticate users on SD-WAN interfaces. D. To configure IPsec tunnels. Answer: B. 10. In an ADVPN deployment, which protocol is used to establish on-demand direct tunnels between spokes? A. BGP. B. OSPF. C. IKEV2. D. RIP. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.